How are you, James?
Hey there, Jaco.
No, you're fine. I'm good. No, I'm just here with my family. Ons bietjie uitgaan hoor. So ja, no, the Bokke won. The Bokke.
Who won? What's going
on?
on?
The last one, but the Bokke, jy die fok, wat's die Bokke? Rugby?
No clue.
Jy kyk nie rugby. Fok, wat kyk julle hier? Is the games, the Springboks, we play the sport and we won.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
how's your
yeah.
family? How are you?
No, we the family ons is goed. Everyone is goed. We are lekker. En hoe gaan dit met jou familie? No.
Hey, Dad, can we go to McDonald's?
Ja, Siena, asseblief. Papa is besig om te praat hier. Okay, wag 'n bietjie. Yeah, I'm trying this thing you Americans teach me called gentle parenting. Yeah, so I'm trying it.
Good on you,
Yeah,
buddy.
so tell me what I was.
Dad, come on.
Sorry.
Please,
Sienna,
man. Hey, Dad.
Asseblief. Ek is besig hier om te praat, hoor. So just wait, then we go to
Hey, man, kids are just gonna be kids, you know?
Ja, so sorry again.
Dad, come on.
Om te fucking praat terwyl ek's besig met te praat. My fucking jammer, ek sal hierdie kind klap, hoor. Ek's besig om te praat met mense hier. Hou op om ongeskik gewees. Ek het gesê vir jou dat ons gaan McDonald's toe gaan, waar ons klaar is, ons is besig met jou